Our brain is the control center of our body, and it needs proper nutrition to function optimally. The food we eat plays a crucial role in determining our mental and physical well-being. While some foods can boost our brain power, others can have a negative impact on our cognitive function and mental health. In this video, we'll be discussing 10 foods that you should avoid if you want to keep your brain healthy and sharp. So, let's get started. Number 10. Processed foods are high in sugar, sodium, and unhealthy fats that can have a detrimental effect on our brain. These foods are often loaded with preservatives, artificial colors, and flavors that can disrupt our brain function. A study conducted by the American Academy of Neurology found that consuming a lot of processed foods can increase the risk of depression and anxiety. Additionally, processed foods can also cause inflammation in the brain, leading to cognitive decline and memory problems. So, it's best to avoid processed foods as much as possible and opt for fresh, whole foods instead. By doing so, you'll not only improve your brain health but also your overall physical health. Fresh, whole foods are packed with essential nutrients that our brain needs to function optimally. They also contain antioxidants that can protect our brain cells from damage caused by free radicals. So make sure to include plenty of fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats in your diet to keep your brain healthy and happy. Number 9. Sugary drinks are not only detrimental to physical health, but they can also have negative effects on mental health. The high sugar and calorie content in drinks like soda, energy drinks, and fruit juices can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and inflammation in the brain. A study published in the journal JAMA Internal Medicine found that consuming sugary drinks regularly can increase the risk of depression, making it important to limit or avoid these drinks altogether. In addition to the risk of depression, sugary drinks can also cause brain fog, mood swings, and fatigue, which can negatively impact daily life. To stay hydrated and maintain optimal health, it's best to opt for water, herbal tea, or fresh fruit juice instead of sugary drinks. Number 8. Trans fats are not only commonly found in processed foods, fried foods, and baked goods, but they are also often disguised as partially hydrogenated oils on ingredient labels. These harmful fats can increase the risk of heart disease, but they can also have a negative impact on our brain function. In fact, a study published in the journal Neurology found that consuming trans fats can shrink the brain and cause memory problems. The study followed 1,000 healthy men and women over the age of 65 for 4 years and found that those who consumed high levels of trans fats had smaller brains than those who consumed lower levels. Additionally, trans fats can also cause inflammation in the brain, lead to cognitive decline and mood disorders. So, it's best to avoid foods that are high in trans fats and opt for healthier fats like olive oil, avocado, and nuts to protect both your heart and brain health. By making simple changes to your diet, you can improve your overall health and well-being. Number 7. Alcohol is a depressant that can have a negative impact on our brain function and mental health. Drinking too much alcohol can cause memory problems, mood swings, and cognitive decline. Additionally, alcohol can also disrupt our sleep patterns, leading to fatigue and brain fog. A study published in the journal PLOS One found that heavy drinking can cause damage to the white matter in the brain, leading to cognitive impairment. So, it's best to limit your alcohol intake and opt for healthier alternatives like herbal tea or sparkling water. Remember, taking care of your mental health is just as important as taking care of your physical health, and making small changes like reducing your alcohol intake can have a big impact on your overall well-being. Number 6. High-fat dairy products like cheese, butter, and cream are often considered indulgent treats, but they can have a negative impact on our brain function. A study conducted by the University of California found that consuming high-fat dairy products can increase the risk of Alzheimer's disease by up to 44. This is because high levels of saturated fat in these foods can lead to the buildup of beta-amyloid plaques in the brain, which are a hallmark of Alzheimer's disease. Additionally, these foods can also cause inflammation in the brain, leading to cognitive decline and mood disorders such as depression and anxiety. So, it's best to limit your intake of high-fat dairy products and opt for healthier alternatives like low-fat yogurt or plant-based milk, which are rich in brain-boosting nutrients like calcium, vitamin D, and omega-3 fatty acids. By making this simple switch, you can protect your brain health and improve your overall well-being. Number 5. Fried foods not only contain unhealthy fats that can cause inflammation in the brain, but they can also lead to other negative effects on our mental health. In fact, a study published in the journal Brain Behavior and Immunity found that consuming fried foods can increase the risk of depression. Furthermore, these foods can also cause brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings, which can all have a negative impact on our overall well-being. Therefore, it's important to limit our consumption of fried foods and choose healthier alternatives like roasted vegetables or grilled chicken to support our mental and physical health. By making small changes to our diet, we can improve our mood, energy levels, and overall quality of life. Number 4. Artificial sweeteners like aspartame, sucralose, and saccharin are often used as substitutes for sugar. However, these sweeteners can have a negative impact on our brain function and mental health. A study published in the journal Appetite found that consuming artificial sweeteners can increase the risk of depression and anxiety. Additionally, these sweeteners can also disrupt our gut microbiome, leading to cognitive decline and mood disorders. So, it's best to avoid artificial sweeteners and opt for natural sweeteners like honey or maple syrup, which not only provide a sweet taste, but also contain beneficial nutrients that can support our overall health and well-being. Number 3. High-sodium foods like canned soups, chips, and processed meats can cause dehydration and inflammation in the brain. This can lead to a range of negative effects, including cognitive decline and dementia. A study published in the journal Nutrients found that consuming too much sodium can increase the risk of these conditions. Additionally, high-sodium foods can also cause brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings, making it difficult to focus and stay productive. So, it's best to limit your intake of high-sodium foods and opt for healthier alternatives like fresh fruits and vegetables, which can provide essential nutrients without the negative side effects. By making these simple changes to your diet, you can help protect your brain health and improve your overall well-being. Number 2. Red meat is a staple in many diets, but it's important to be aware of its potential negative effects on our mental health. In addition to being high in saturated fats, red meat also contains high levels of arachidonic acid, which can cause inflammation in the brain. This inflammation has been linked to a higher risk of depression and anxiety, as found in a study published in the journal Molecular Psychiatry. Furthermore, consuming red meat can also lead to brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings, which can negatively impact our daily lives. To maintain a healthy brain and body, it is highly recommended to limit your intake of red meat and opt for healthier alternatives like fish, chicken, or plant-based proteins. Number 1. Refined grains like white bread, pasta, and rice are low in nutrients and high in sugar. These foods can cause a sudden spike in blood sugar levels, leading to insulin resistance and inflammation in the brain. Additionally, refined grains can also cause brain fog, fatigue, and mood swings. So, it's best to avoid refined grains and opt for healthier alternatives like whole grains, quinoa, or brown rice. These alternatives are rich in fiber, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for brain health and function. They also have a lower glycemic index, which means they release sugar into the bloodstream at a slower rate, providing a steady supply of energy to the brain and body throughout the day. By making this simple switch, you can improve your brain health and overall well-being. So that is all. Thanks for watching, and make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon for more videos.